In this episode, we will be learning how to report someone on Zangi. To report someone on Zangi, first of all, launch open the Zangi application on your smartphone and log into your account. After you're signed into the home page, tap on the chat or profile of the person you want to report. If you've opened up their chat screen, you will need to go to the top of the screen and tap on their name to open up the contact info. If you don't have a chat with them, search for the contact and open up their profile, and you will see this info section. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the red report button. You have two options like report or report and block. If you only want to report the contact without blocking them, tap on the report button at the bottom. If you want to report and block the person, tap on report and block. You may be prompted to select a reason for the report, such as spam, harassment, inappropriate behavior, or other issues. Select the region and confirm the report, and Zangi will review it according to their policies. So that is how you can easily report someone in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.